Pick one. Sip daily. Feel unstoppable. Which will you try?
Opt for unsweetened green tea to maximize its detoxifying properties. Number 2. Lemon water.
Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that enhances bile production, allowing your liver to flush out harmful toxins more effectively.
Cholesterol, grapefruit, carrot, ginger. Insomnia, kiwi, lettuce, ginger. Low immunity, blueberry, tomato, ginger. Fatigue, orange, apple, turmeric. For anemia, beetroot, apple, carrot. For inflammation, avocado, cucumber, ginger. Cholesterol, grapefruit, carrot, ginger.
Beetroot juice contains betalain compounds known for their detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties.